In front of me I've got LG K41s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to lock screen and security. Enter select screen lock and confirm with your current screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now, swipe, pin, password, and at the end, pattern. Now we can go to fingerprints, and our fingerprint sensor is right here on the back of the phone. So let's scan your fingerprint. And it's done. Now you can use it to unlock the phone. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.